sikat na mga pants. Not just in Thailand. Mainly 100 baht only. Don't get me. We're back. Okay, so nagpahinga lang tayo ng mga 2 hours. Tulog kami ni Lana at nila Kuya Alan. So ngayon, ikot-ikot kami, mag-walking tour kami, magko-coffee shop spotting kami, tapos later on, we're gonna go to the night market and possibly to the Yipeng Festival. Alright, so samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Okay guys, ito na yung parang main street nila dito sa Chiang Mai, wherein the night market will happen. Actually, it's already happening. Early this hour. Nag-set up na yung mga tao and syempre may mga bibili na. Kahit alam ko 5 PM pa yung official start nito. So mga tote bag for 150 lang. Pero sako siya, parang recycled mo. Oh. Ayun. How much is this? 200 baht?
That's right.
Ganda na. Thank you. Ayan. Tote bag. Ganito yung pants, so tinan mo. Only 100 baht. Yung elephant pants. 100. Let's go. Parang mabahaba ito, hanggang dun pa ito. Ano ba? Ay, ito pala yun. Kakape ba? What's that? Ay, labo! Magkano? Isa?
Yung maliit yung maliit.
Ah, ang cute! Ang cute!
350. Ay, ito.
Ang cute naman. Ang cute guys.
How
Oh.
much? 80 ba?
80 baht. Nice.
Kay red pa lang magpapabili.
Okay guys, medyo maraming tao dito sa night market. Actually hindi pa gabi, pero super dami ng tao. Napabili na ako ng outfit, tinan nyo. Itong polong to, worth 150 baht lang. Para lang meron tayong cultural relevance sa lugar na to. But here, marami pa dito, sobrang mura dito sa Chiang Mai. So ito may mga tote bag na elephant. Kaso yun nagka-set up pa sila oh. So, marami pa ditong sobrang daming mga pangpasalubong at mga pangpasarili. This one pastry for only 10 baht. There. I'll buy egg that one. There's a lot of pastries here. 10 baht only. So let's buy one. This the egg tart. Let's eat this egg tart only for 10 baht.
จะมีการประกวดโคมที่เป็นล้านนานะครับหรือโคมแหวนใหญ่นะครับซึ่งจะเป็นโคมที่ใหญ่ที่สุดนะครับที่ทำ
Coffee shop milk tea, gano'n. Coffee. Guys, so bibili kami nito. Painting 100 baht only. We'll get this. There. Ano, nakakaino. So only 400 baht. And then we will frame it. Design sa bahay. May remembrance na kami. Yan o. Ano yung artist na sa likod? Nagpipaint. Diba nice? Yeah. Gano'n na kami para sa bahay. Painting. Okay guys, ito yung sikat na mga pants, not just in Thailand or in Bangkok or in Chiang Mai, but also in other Southeast Asian country. So dito sa Chiang Mai is only 100 baht for this pants. So baka bumili bibili pala sila na for her family. Kasi ako nakabili na ako eh. Bili siyang 12 pieces para sa pamilya niya, 'di ba? Ang ganda. So yan na, may pasalubong na. Tapos very handy pa siya. Basta ito lagi ang sikat to na pants. Ayun, actually yun nga suot ko ngayon. Ito na yun. Ayan o. Ayan.
Magkano?
Ito o. So ayan. So ikot-ikot pa tayo pero bili muna natin itong mga pants na. Sarap po. 20 baht. And then guys, pagka wala na kayong baggage, kasi namin yun na pinamili, pwede kayong bumili ng ganito, mga foldable. Ayan o. XL is 350. Tapos large is 299. Si Kailan bumili siya yun. Kasi ang dami niyang pinamili. Lahat ng teachers niya binilhan niya. Ayan, ang dami niyang pinamili pesos. Hindi pa yan kulang. Kulang pa yan. So, grabe. Hanggang alas 12 pa tong night market. Super daming tao na ngayon na gabi. Kanina medyo tolerable pa eh, pero nung nagdilim, super daming tao. Grabe. Ayan o. So, balik muna kami ng hotel.
I make
What?
I make
The
the bag.
you make the bag? Really? Oh, really?
This name my son.
Wow!
Sige, I'll buy it for 300. Mozart, it's a Mozart.
Oh, that's your son. Nice. Guys, so, si Kuya daw yung bumili. Oo, siya daw yung gumagawa ng bag. How many?
I'm happy to know that you make your own bag.
Nice.
Very nice.
Siya daw gumagawa ng mga bag. Hi guys! We're back here in the Taipei Gate and nandito sila Kuya Alan and si Lana. At napakadaming tao dito sa Taipei Gate because nga of the Yiping Festival. There's a lot of people here, a lot of foreigners and locals too. And pakita ko sa inyo, ang ganda na dito kasi merong mga lantern. Let me just flip the camera. Ayan. Here at this side, ito yung parang may cultural show, tapos may mga lantern din dyan. And then at this side is the Taipei Gate na merong parang light na pasukan. Tapos pagpasok mo dyan na yung mga night market. And then here, another set of lanterns. Nice oh. And then dito naman sa kabila is ito yung papunta ng ng bridge wherein doon gaganapin yung Yipeng Festival tonight and tomorrow and also the Loy Krathong Festival. So tomorrow we'll go there. But for now, we'll focus here inside the Old City for the shopping and for all the the night market and massage. So later on we'll go inside for the massage. So a while ago, we just bought a lot of stuff for our friends and loved ones back in the Philippines. But now, we're here and we're just enjoying the atmosphere, the vibe because it's a chilly, not that chilly naman, pero sakto lang yung lamig dito sa labas ng, dito sa Chiang Mai and we're enjoying everything that we can hear. Ayan sila na oh. Hi love, are you enjoying? Taipei Gate. We're here outside Taipei Gate.
Okay, Taipei Games.
Ayan, so ikot-ikot lang tayo and then let's see kung ano makikita natin para sama ko kayo lah. Okay, so join us! Okay guys, lapitan natin itong maraming lantern na to. Ang Chiang Mai ay kilala as the ancient land of kingdom and itong mga lantern na to is one of their trademarks. So, may mga signage dito about this lantern but in Thai character or in Thai alphabet kaya hindi natin maintindihan. So let's just appreciate all these big lanterns here. I think para siyang competition kasi para may mga label each lantern. So like this, sorry, like this one, meron siyang ganyan. Ayan, this is the big lantern. So let's just walk further. There, ang gaganda. Para mga entry siya for a competition. Right? So beautiful. So beautiful. 5 years ago when we went here, dito kami tumuloy, dyan sa side na yan. Kung nakita nyo yung parang merong light na yan, dyan kami tumuloy. Tas dati wala pa tong Decathlon, may Decathlon na ngayon. Grabe guys, there's a lot of people here, a lot of people expecting a nice Yipeng festival tomorrow. And I think sabi nung tuk-tuk driver namin, by this tonight daw meron na raw mga magkapalipad ng lantern. But sabi nung iba, hindi raw pwede kahit saan sa city. So may designated area lang wherein you can fly your lantern. So we're gonna go in the Ping River tomorrow after the Elephant Sanctuary tomorrow morning. Okay, so we're gonna do the Loy Krathong. We will float yung mga parang floating lantern and then we will fly a lantern naman. Yung sinisindihan. Okay? So, see you guys. And pasok tayo doon sa ay ito may big signage siya. Okay, pasok na tayo dito guys. Papasok dito sa Old Town. Ito yung parang pinaka-tapay gate. Hindi lang makita ngayon yung pinaka-gate dahil merong parang arc na ginawa for the festival. So there's a lot of people here entering. So tingnan nyo oh. So kanina doon tayo galing sa kabilang side. Tapos nagtok-tok tayo papunta dito kasi nga sobrang layo. Sobrang haba kasi nitong night market na to. So papasok lang tayo dito sa kabilang side para makakain na tayo at makapamili pa ulit. Okay guys, so after a long, tiring walk and shopping, andito kami ngayon sa street ng Chiang Mai, Old City para magpa-massage lang. Ang massage dito ay for 30 minutes 100 baht and for 1 hour ay 160 baht. So 160 kasama na dyan yung foot, head and shoulder. Yeah, so dahil konti lang ang difference, nag na kami, nag 160 baht na kami, 1 hour massage. So pahinga na rin to. Napakadaming massage dito guys. So kahit saang street, sa kabilang street meron din. Tapos dito napakadami nagpapamassage. Oh. Ayan o, matindi na yan dyan. Oh. Ang dami. So sila na hindi nagpamassage. So si Charity, nag-shopping. Ayan, meron pa dito. Ayan. So, nag-dinner na kami kaso lang, hindi ko na na-vlog dahil sa daming tao at sa halos wala kaming mapuan kaya hindi ko na siya na-vlog kanina. Anyway, so tapusin natin yung massage tapos balik na tayo sa hotel. So, try natin i-haul yung mga binili natin dito sa sa night market dito sa Chiang Mai. Okay guys, see you later!
3 คนอ่ะหน่อย3 คนคนละชั่วโมง